Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to transfer data from your old phone or old iPhone onto your Samsung Galaxy A17. I think the best way is during the setup if you get this screen because it's gonna set up everything. But I'm just showing you this. I won't be using this method because I think it's most universal if I just show you the method after the setup, because everyone can do it after the setup and not everyone can do it during the setup because maybe you already set up the phone. So I'll set it up manually, but just so you know, this is where you can find it as first, but later on I'll show you how to do it. It's gonna work exactly the same and it's gonna do exactly the same thing, but it's just that this method can be used either through the setup or through the app on the phone that is pre-installed, and yeah, so I'll just show you that for that other method, but I've shown you that you can also turn the same, do the same thing, but from the setup. So I'll get back to you shortly. Okay, so you can see my phone is already set up. I've chosen an iPhone to use, but of course it's gonna be exactly the same on an Android phone. I mean, there's gonna be just minor differences, but I'll explain them. So if your phone is already set up, then you should go on your phone to a Smart Switch app. Find Samsung Smart Switch. Now click on More, Continue. And yeah, as I said, it's gonna work here exactly the same as you would do it through the setup. So click on Receive on this phone. Okay, I will need to plug my phone into charging, so let's do it. Click on OK. And now select the source, either Galaxy or Android or iPhone or iPad. I will select an iPhone. Then you can do it with a compatible cable, but I will transfer wirelessly because I think everyone can transfer wirelessly and not everyone has a proper cable that will work with both phones, you know. So let's go to transfer wirelessly. Now first I'll need to go to my App Store, or if you're using an Android phone, then select Play Store and search for Smart Switch app. If you are using old Samsung phone, then Smart Switch most probably will already be on your phone. You can just open it and select Send from this phone instead of Receive on this phone. Now you can see I have downloaded the Samsung Smart Switch, so I click on Continue. Now I'll need to click on Continue and share all contacts, allow full access to everything, so I can actually share everything. Yeah, let's do everything. Now click on Let's Go, transfer wirelessly, and now I'm gonna scan the QR code that is being displayed on my Samsung. Now select Join to join the direct network shared from this phone, so they connect with a fast enough connection. Let's try again. Let's see if it works. Not always works, but I can see something is reconnecting with the Wi-Fi, so maybe it'll be working. Yeah, now it's searching for data to transfer on the device. Remember to not turn off the screen. Now select what to transfer. And you can see I can transfer contacts, calendar, images and videos. Later on I'll shortly show you how it works on Android, that you can select different things. But yeah, in images and videos you can actually go into that by clicking on this arrow and select what to transfer. I will actually unselect the images and videos because you can see they take a lot of storage and I just want to make it as quick as I can, but of course feel free to select everything. Now you can see it was immediate because I just transferred like very little data, but now I can close it on the iPhone and go to home screen on the Samsung. Now I'm gonna get an Android phone. Okay, and now I'm gonna scan the QR code from the Android phone on the Android phone, and it's connecting. Let's see if it connects with no problems. Now I'm using a Google Pixel phone, by the way. It's a Google Pixel 8. I really hope it connects. Okay, I actually switched to a different phone. That's probably because like that other phone had some problems with the permissions. I should have just like uninstalled the app, reset the permissions, and then do everything. But like I just didn't have time for it, so I thought let's switch to a different phone and just download the app freshly and agree to all the permissions, and it works. Now here you can select everything if you're transferring from Android, everything, just accounts, calls, contacts and messages, or custom. I will select custom, but feel free to select everything. And now you can transfer Google account. Actually, I'm signed into the same one on both, so I can't select it, but I can select calls and contacts, messages, apps, settings, images, and stuff like that, and documents and files. And now click on transfer, and now it is transferring everything. So that's how it works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.